Welcome back to your favorite channel, Math Helper. See exercise 6.3, question number 14. Side AB and AC and median AD of a triangle ABC. A triangle is there, A, B, C, and median is AD. They are proportional to the side of another triangle, PQR, and median PM. You know only that median divides a triangle into two equal parts. That means BD is equal to DC. And it is given that AB is proportional to PQ, means AB over PQ is equal to AC is proportional to PR. So AC over PR equal to median AD is proportional to PM. So this is given, and you have to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Very important question. In this question you have to do construction you have to do. Now what construction you will do? You will draw extend AD up to A dash such that this part is equal to this part, and you will join them. Here also you will do construction. PM you will extend up to P dash. You can give any other name also. You will join, and construction you will do such that this part is equal to this part. Now how to do? Firstly you will write construction. AD extend up to A dash such that AD is equal to DA dash, and PM extend up to P dash such that PM is equal to MP dash. Now diagonals of these are the diagonals, and this is a quadrilateral. A B C A dash is a quadrilateral, and PQ P dash R is a quadrilateral, and diagonals are bisecting each other. Therefore A B A dash C is a parallelogram. Reason will come because diagonals are bisecting each other. Same way PQ P dash R is also a parallelogram. Same reason, diagonals are bisecting each other. Now if they are parallelogram, this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side, means BA dash is equal to AC, because opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Similarly, this side, suppose three circles you will draw here, three circles. QP dash is equal to PR. Same reason, opposite sides of a parallelogram. Now see what is given. You will write AB over PQ equal to AC. In place of AC, because you have proved AC is equal to BA dash, so you can write here BA dash. Then in place of PR, because you have proved PR equal to QP dash, so you will write here QP dash is equal to, you will write AD, because you want this full, because you want this triangle to prove similar to this triangle. So here you will write 2AD, here 2PM. Now 2AD is equal to, twice of AD is equal to AA dash, so you can write AA dash, and twice of PM double is equal to PP dash, so you can write PP dash. So by AB over PQ equal to BA dash over QP dash equal to AA dash over PP dash. See, sides are proportional. AB is proportional to PQ, then BA dash is proportional to QP dash, and AA dash, this is proportional to PP dash. Therefore by these three you got that triangle ABA dash is similar to triangle PQ P dash by SSS. Sides are proportional, three sides are proportional, therefore the triangles are similar. And that if triangle ABA dash is similar to triangle PQP dash. This angle, suppose this is 1, this is 2. Because triangle ABA dash is similar to triangle PQP dash. These two triangles are similar. So the angles will be equal, corresponding angles. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. You can prove others angles also equal. This will be equal to this will be equal to this, but we want this only, so we will write this only. Similarly, if this is 3, this is 4, you can prove these two triangles also similar. So you can prove angle 3 equal to angle 4. No need to prove, you can write only angle 3 is equal to angle 4 similarly. If you want, you can do, but no compulsion is there to do. So you can write angle 3 equal to angle 1. Suppose this is first equation, this is second equation. Equation first plus equation second, you will get angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 3 equal to angle 2 plus angle 4. Now see, angle 1 plus angle 3 is angle A. Angle 2 plus angle 4 is angle P. That means angle A is equal to angle P. Now easy, only you have to prove triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. This angle you got equal. Now corresponding side, you see they are proportional. You see that AB, already it is given only the question that AB is proportional to PQ and AC is proportional to PR. It is given only. So you can write that angle A is equal to angle P and AB over PQ is equal to AC over PR. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. In this, SAS will come. SAS rule, because two sides are proportional and including angles are equal. So SAS property hence proved. Thank you.